Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be going over my best purchases of 2024. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have my best purchases of the year of 2024. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. In this video, I'm going to be going over all of my best purchases of the year so far, all of the purchases that I do not regret, that I think were definitely worth the money. I have about 6 pieces to share with you guys today, so let's just get started. Okay, so for my first piece, I'm putting it at the bottom because it is a little bit cheating. I just got this piece in the mail like a week ago, but I have been using it every single day, and I know that I'm gonna be using it pretty much every single day for the rest of the year. Like, I really like it, and I know that it was a good purchase. Like, I definitely do not regret my purchase. I'm putting it at the bottom because I know it's kind of cheating, but it's my Songmont Your Mini Duffel Bag. I recently just did the unboxing. I'll have that linked in the description if you haven't seen the unboxing of this bag. I am just so happy with this bag. Since I unboxed it, I've worn it every single day. I have not changed out into any other bag. I've been really testing it, and she fits so much stuff. I am just so happy with her interior, like how spacious she is on the inside and just her vibe. I think that she is just the cutest thing ever. I'm so happy that I got this in the color that I did and in the leather, because I was going back and forth between this and the suede, but I'm really glad that I got it in the leather. All around, so happy with this purchase. Songmont is just a amazing brand. This is my 3rd bag from them at this point. I mean, I have no critiques. Like, I love the vibe. I love how cute it is. I don't want to go too much into this. Again, I know that it's kind of cheating because I just got this, but I'm already loving it so much. And this is definitely going to be one of my best purchases of the year. I just know it is. So there's that. Next up on my list, we have a pair of sneakers that I am so glad I got my hands on. Like, I ordered these and I was kind of like not an impulse purchase because I knew they were around, I knew of them, but I was thinking, oh, I don't need these. I'm just buying them because they're popular. I don't really need these. No, I am so glad that I bought these because I wear these so often and they get a ton of use. I'm so happy that I got them. I feel like I got super lucky because I went to their website and they were completely sold out, but they had like 1 left in my size, which is just crazy. And I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on these. So these are the Miu Miu X New Balance sneakers. They kind of have the same shape as the Sambas from Adidas. So kind of like a bowling ball type shoe, but this is in suede instead of like regular smooth leather. I love the fact that these are suede. I think they're perfect for fall time. I'm not sure if I would really wear these during summer. I don't think so. But for fall winter, I think these are absolutely perfect. And I've worn these an absolute ton, but you really can't tell. Like, even on the bottoms, you can't tell they have been worn all that much, which I love. And then I love the New Balance logo on here. I don't know, I just like the idea that it's the same color and it's kind of stitched in. I just think it looks really nice. And I really love the contrast ties and the double ties. Like, I just think it looks so funky. It looks so cool. I really love the design. I'm so glad that I was able to get this color because this is the color that I really wanted. They had that like cinnamon color that I was just not a fan of. I know a lot of people liked it. It sold out as well, but I really liked this color. I think this one was called Ecru or something like that, I think. But this is definitely my favorite out of the 2. I love the accent green lace all around. I love these. I'm so happy that I jumped on the trend for these. These are fantastic quality. They're also surprisingly comfortable. Like, I know a lot of people wouldn't expect designer shoes. I mean, New Balance shoes are always pretty comfortable. They're kind of like running sneaker brand. So like, it makes sense that they're comfortable, but these are really comfy. Like, I can wear these no problem for a long period of time and my feet are still totally fine. They say Miu Miu on the inside, right there, and they also say it on the tongue as well. So yes, these absolutely one of my best purchases of the year. A little bit of an impulse purchase, but it ended up working out really well because I am just obsessed with these. Love them so much. Okay, next up on my list, I have these headphones. Okay, listen. These are going to be either like you love these or you really did not like these. And I know there's been a lot of mixed reviews on these headphones. I personally have been getting a lot of wear out of them, okay? These are the new Sonos Ace headphones. And I haven't really seen a lot of people do like reviews on these or talk about these very much because I'm not sure if they really went over very well. Like I don't know if it has very many good reviews. I personally really like these. I haven't had any issue with them. Here is what they look like. They are, again, of course, they're from Sonos, which is a speaker brand. The reason that I like them so much is because they're very lightweight. My AirPods Max were so heavy that like I could only wear them for like 20-30 minutes at a time. My head would start hurting. It was just too heavy. Like I must have just like a very sensitive head. I don't know. But these ones I can wear for hours and I don't get fatigued. They're still really comfortable after like an hour. I think the sound quality on these are fine. I don't usually listen to music with these though. I usually just take these and I listen to my audiobooks with them. All of the use that they're getting is going towards audiobooks. Like I am not someone that is like an audiophile that really cares what your music sounds like. I do love to listen to music. I do love music, but most of the time, 99.9% of the time, if I have these on, I'm listening to an audiobook. And that really is great for these because again, they're very lightweight. They don't hurt my head and I can really go on like long listening sprees, so I can read for like 2 to 3 hours at a time and it's no big deal while I'm doing other things. The only thing on these that I have noticed is that the noise cancellation on these are nowhere near as good as the AirPods Max or even like the AirPods, like the Buds. It's not anywhere near as good as those. Also, the transparency mode, I forgot what they call it on this, also not as good. These are not the best headphones that I've ever had. If the AirPods Max were as light as these, I would definitely wear the AirPods Max over these, but these are still just so much lighter. I can wear them for longer periods of time that I'll take the not as good noise cancellation and the not as good transparency mode just for comfort. So yeah, that's my kind of review for these. I really enjoy them and I have gotten a lot of wear out of them, so there's that. Next up on my list, we have a piece that I technically ordered last year. I ordered it in December of last year, but I did not receive it until January of this year, at the end of January, because we were in Italy at the end of last year. And it is my new kind of like engagement ring and wedding band ring set. So if you remember, I ordered this on Christmas Day last year. My beautiful, amazing husband got it for me. I love it so, so much. And then we were still in Italy for a while. We didn't get home until like the end of January. So that is when I officially had it on my hand. So here's what she looks like. I have done a video on this before. I did my like updated jewelry collection or like my most worn pieces. I'll have it linked down below if you haven't seen it. But this is literally just one of my favorite pieces that I have, period. Like I am just so obsessed with this. I love it so, so much. It is one of my prized possessions. I just think it is one of the most beautiful things that I've ever seen. Like, I don't know, I just love it. I never thought in my life that I would have a ring like this because I always see people online that have these types of rings and I'm just like, oh my God, those are so beautiful. I love it. And I love the oval cut as well. Like I knew that was what I wanted. I never thought that I'd be able to do that because like the rings like this are relatively expensive and I definitely understand that. And I know that for sure. And I never thought that I'd be able to get one. When Ralph was like, no, it's Christmas. You just go ahead and order it and then you'll get it once we get back to America. I love this so much. So this is from the brand Vray or Vry, however you want to say it. But it is basically, you can go in, you can shop by the cut, like oval, emerald, radiant, and stuff like that. I think you can also shop preset ones, but I kind of like custom made this. So on the engagement ring part, the actual main meat and potatoes of the ring, I have a gold band and it also has a hidden halo up here. I'm not sure if you're even gonna be able to see it. Hopefully you can. I don't know how close I can get to the camera before it gets blurry. So we have like a hidden halo going on, which I liked. I thought it was really cute. And then the main stone. The stone, I believe it is 2.23 in carats. I'll have to look. Yeah, it's 2.23 in carats, and it has the 4 prongs. They've done a bunch of other designs now too. Like you can do, I think, like a 3-prong one. You can do like a different prong settings, which is really, really fun. Here's this, and then once I got home and I actually got the ring when I was back in America, I didn't have a band, so I actually ordered like a couple of bands from Amazon and just wore those for a while because I just wanted to have a band because my previous band that I had with my other ring, it was a set, and my other band didn't go with this ring, like it wouldn't fit. So I ended up just ordering like a $10-15 band from Amazon for a while, and then I wore that. And then eventually I placed an order again with Bray, and I got my actual wedding band, and it is a baguette style band. So if you can see, I don't even know how to show this, but it has little kind of square looking diamonds all the way around. You can do this in like a half, or you can do it all the way around. So I went ahead and just got the diamonds all the way around. I think it's really fun to have this like baguette style incorporation with the oval stone. I don't know, I just like it a lot. I think it goes really well together, and it's a very classic, very classy type of set in my opinion. I do love like the big bold kind of sets that people have. I've actually kind of been wearing my love ring with this for the past couple of days just to see how I like it. I'm not sure if I even like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it because I haven't really decided yet. It might just be too much, and if it's too much, that's fine. But I've been kind of wearing it like this for the past couple of days just to kind of see. I know a lot of people on TikTok like doing ring stacks or whatever. So I don't know if it's too much. It probably is too much, but I've just been wearing it like that for a little while. Anyways, that has been my ring that I just love and adore. Absolutely one of the best purchases of the year. Even though we technically purchased it last year, at the end of last year, I didn't even get to wear it until this year. So the next thing, the second to last thing I want to talk about today is actually something that I can't really show because it's this house. We purchased this house like literally a month ago, and it's one of the best purchases of the entire year. I did a full house tour in one of my vlogs. I'll have a link down below, and I did like a full like moving vlog and all of that. And this house is literally just a dream house. I do not understand how we were able to get this house because I never really told anybody like besides the vlogs. So if you watch my vlogs, then you will have already known, but we originally viewed this house back in like June, and we really wanted to get this house then, but it was just impossible. We didn't have the money for it. The interest rates were way too high, and yeah, it just was not happening in June, which was, you know, definitely an eye-opener for me in general. If I would have saved better, if we in general would have saved better, then maybe the outcome would have been different and we would have been able to get it in June. So it kind of like lit a fire underneath me to like not spend as much, not buy as much, to try to save a bit more and try to sell some of the things that I either didn't need or bought impulsively, you know, just stuff like that. Just trying to make me like a better adult in that way. But then September rolled around, and the week after we got back from New York, I just happened to call my agent, my realtor, and just checked insurance rates, and they had gone down a little bit. And it kind of just snowballed from there. Like, it was crazy. But this house is an absolute dream. We are going to make like a beautiful life in this house. It's probably just gonna be our forever home unless something crazy happens. I don't know. But yeah, I could not be more grateful. I could not be more excited with this house. Yeah, that is the second to last thing, like best purchases of 2024, obviously. And I say number one, the house is absolutely more important than these. I don't know why I did it in that order, but just put the house at number one, and these two are going to be at the number 2 spot. These are my second best purchases of the entire year. I love these with every fiber of my being. These are my 2 Chanel Classic Flaps. I got both of them this year, which I don't know. I don't understand. Like, I just feel like I don't even have words for it. I got this one at the end of March. She is the 2021 P Caramel Classic Flap, and she is just my child. I love her with every fiber of my being. This bag in general was one of my like white elephant bags, like one of my all-time dream bags to have in my collection, and I am so glad and just honored, I don't know, to say that I have her in my collection, because she is just an absolute gem of a handbag. And just to have her in my collection, I feel unworthy, to be honest, which is so stupid because I know that she's a bag and she's not real. Like, I know it's dumb, trust me, but just, you can't get this color anymore. It is very, very sought after, and I feel kind of special in a way that I'm just like, oh, I have one. I don't know. I love it. I love it so much. I wear her all the time. She gets so much love, and I take such good care of her. Like, my life depends on it. So this is just one of my children, and I just, again, I love her so much. So yeah, my brown Classic Flap, and then an unexpected addition to my collection that I absolutely love just as much as my brown one. It is my kind of cornflower sky blue. This is from the 23P collection, and I got her from Redilux or Redilux on Instagram, and this is also just one of my favorite things that I own. This color, I can't even explain to you how beautiful this color is. Still to this day, when I look at these 2 bags, it doesn't compute that they're mine. Like, it just doesn't seem real. I love that feeling. Like, I really like that feeling. I never wanted to become, oh yeah, sure, that's mine, I have that, yeah, duh. I never wanted to feel like that, because if it feels like that, then I feel like you become kind of numb to really expensive things. And I never wanted to feel, for me personally, that, oh, it's just another bag. Oh, it's just another, you know, piece to my collection. Like, no, these pieces, not only are they incredibly expensive, but they're also just like iconic. They're like landmarks of Chanel. They're so beautiful and stunning in every way. And I never want it to be normal that I add a Chanel to my bag, or I am able to have these 2 Chanels. Like, does that make any sense? I have no clue. But every single time I look at this bag, I almost just don't believe that I have it. Like, it's just wild. I love her so, so much. Both of these I love so, so much with my entire heart. Absolutely one of my best purchases of the entire year. So, but yeah, you guys, that has been all of my best purchases of 2024. Let me know in the comments what your best purchases of 2024 have been. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a car, it could be a bag, it could be a piece of clothing that you like a lot, but just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!